Hey everybody, it's Danny from Griswold Family Vacay, and tonight we are coming to you with an unboxing from bloomscape. This is something that Kimberly ordered, and she asked me to do an unboxing of it, and she also wanted me to let you guys know that she has a referral link listed in the description below, and if you guys click on that link, you will get 20% off $100 or more. So that's a pretty good deal. So the package comes from Bloomscapes. Not even sure what this is, but we're about to find out. There's an app called the same name, Bloomscape. If you guys go to that app, it will tell you when to water your plants. It says 5 generations. Huh? It will send you reminders when you need to take care of your plant. So this envelope here says 5 generations of Grow How Bloomscape. So see what it is. Could I help you? Alright, so the first thing you get is one of these, I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I think it's called a plant tag or something, whatever goes inside the plant. So that's the first thing that we have here. Then we have some information about our winter packaging. It says here, cold temperatures can often hinder the health of your plant in transit. We do everything we can to protect your plant, including adding heat packets and insulation to keep it warm along the way. The insulation is non-toxic. So basically it's just telling you how the plant is packaged in the box for delivery. Then we have a little bookmark thing telling us the instructions, I guess, for how to take care of the plant. It says, number 1, remove the brown cocoa fiber mat. It's included to help keep the soil in place. Number 2, keep or remove the wood shavings. This one's up to you. Number 3, read your care card. Your new plant might be thirsty. Number 4, take a photo. Tag at Bloomscape and use hashtag new. What does that say, Landon? New plant friend. And we got a letter here. It says, welcome to a real plant family, 5 generations of Grow How, bringing bigger, better plants your way. We believe in providing everyone with the quality plants, expert information, and the right tools so that a plant doesn't just survive, it thrives. Happy growing, Justin, founder and CEO. And then down here at the bottom, it gives you directions for creating your account. Visit bloomscape.com to create your account if you haven't already, to access care instructions, receive exclusive offers, and more. And then it says share your photos. We love seeing Bloomscape plants in the wild. At Bloomscape, hashtag newplantfriend, hashtag plantlife. Alright, so with that being said,
let's get to it.
It also has this postcard size thing. It says, welcome to a real plant family. It says Peperomia Green, Peperomia Happy Bean, and Peperomia Ruby Glow. So I guess we got a Peperomia plant.
Pepperoni?
Not sure what that is, but we'll find out. In the box, I guess this is that cocoa, whatever it said.
Yeah, brown cocoa.
Coconut fiber.
This doesn't look that safe.
Alright. 3 plants. Alright, so the plants come in this little box.
I have no idea what this is.
And
What do you mean?
here is what they look like. They look pretty cool.
Scissors.
Alright guys, so here is plant number 1. Right here. Here's the first plant. Here's your second plant.
Hey, hold it this.
Here's your second plant. Okay, give it a mom. And here is
It's your last plant.
third and final plant right there. Alright guys, so that's it. Again, this is called Bloomscape. And if you're interested in ordering or purchasing some plants for your house or your apartment or your RV or wherever you may live, please consider checking out Bloomscape. And remember to click that link down below. That's Kimberly's referral link. If you click that link, you will get 20% off your purchase of $100 or more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to smack that thumbs up. Leave us a comment below. And subscribe if you're new, and share us out. We'd love to have some new people join our community. So thank you guys so much again. Have a great night, and as always, take time to make memories.